What's up, guys? Check out this new generation helicopter. It's a very tiny helicopter, but the reason I bought it is I have used helicopters, toy helicopters before for my kids, but the reason I bought it is that it has intelligent obstacle detection and it looked overall cool. Like its presentation, even though it's tiny, it's really modern. And it does not have a camera because I bought it cheap. The pricier versions of this helicopter do have cameras, but this one does not have a camera. uh, in feature wise, if we look at it, it has remote control, lightning, USB charging, and avoid obstacles. And it was quite cheap, so I wanted to test it out. So let's see. All right, there you go. Let's bring it out. So we have few extra wings, and we have some documentation. Is it in Chinese? It is in English and Chinese with different controls. Charges by micro USB. So we have the type USB-A to micro USB. And on this side we have the remote. Not that good quality of a remote, but I think it will do the job just fine. On the back, if we look at it, we have three AAA batteries placements. So you will install three AAA batteries here. And all right, here it is. So on this side we have some light. This is the light, and this is, I think, infrared obstacle detection. Some light is here as well. This is the on off button. Looks really modern. This is the micro USB charging port. When I hold it, the plastic feels really cheap, to be honest. I mean, this body, maybe it is made light for a purpose, but plastic feels really cheap. It does not feel of good quality. This is the on off button. These are controls. I don't know what these are. We have to study it a bit. So these gears are for right one is for left, right, forward, backwards. So this is 4 direction gear. This is throttle speed. This is one button takeoff, fast, slow gear if you want to move fast, slow. And what are these? Left trim and switch indicator. What switch indicate? Sorry, left trim, right trim. What does trim means? I have no idea, but these are for some kind of trims. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see if we have some battery in the helicopter. Let's hope. Okay. All right, we have established the connection. Okay, I just clicked it and whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, how do I turn it off? it went off the rails. I think it's much automatic behavior than others. Usually you have to keep pressing throttle and handle them, but when I press it, like let the throttle go, even if I let it go, it just still keeps running. And then I don't know how to bring it down. Like, how do I turn it off now? See, nothing happens. I don't know. Let me find some button to turn it off. I found a workaround, but not sure if it is a workaround or not. So if I turn it on, sit there, and if I turn off the remote and turn it back on, it turns itself off. This is the only solution I was able to find. It has a one button takeoff, so let's try that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that went wrong. Let's go outside and fly it. Now, alright guys, so me and my daughters, I have been testing it for the last 2 days, this helicopter, and to be honest, we have found it really easy to use. My 6 years old daughter can easily operate it. The easiness is that once you take it into flight, which is one button operation, you press one button, it goes into flight, and after a certain height it stops itself and stays there, like it does not change its position. So even if a child presses a button, it takes its flight, and even if you put down the remote, it still keeps flying, which is really cool, because a kid can, even a 3-year or 2-year kid can press that button and then just start playing with it. He or she doesn't need to control the remote constantly, which is a case for many other helicopters that I have flown before. And other than that, even if you move it left or right, up or down, if you let go of the control, it maintains that height or length. So if you have moved it 1 meter to the left, it will just stay there unless you change it. If you have moved it to the 1 meter up, it will stay there unless you bring it down. And the landing is also very smooth. You press one button and it comes down very smoothly, like you don't have to control it. You press the one button, it lands itself perfectly straight without falling down. So my 6-year daughter really enjoyed it. She was able to control it very easily. And then I would say my other daughter, which is less than 3 years old, She was able to fly it, keep it there and play with it, but other controls like moving left or right or increasing its height or decreasing, that was a bit tricky for her, because she, whenever I asked her to move the height, she would just move the gear up, down, up, down, up, down. So nothing fixed. So she wasn't able to handle it. The flight time was almost 15 minutes, which is I think really good. Charging time was around 30 minutes, which is also good, not 1 hour or 2 hours. So quick charge, you can easily charge it again and the kids can play. And my daughters have actually really enjoyed it. It's been 2 days and they haven't broken it. So that's good. That's a good progress. So if you are looking for something cheap in this range, I would definitely recommend it. Take care. Bye.